Hello, this is Mary with Mango Math, and I'm here with Millie to give a lesson tutorial out of our middle school math kit. Make sure to hit our subscribe button to keep up to date with all things Mango Math. This game is Integer Salute. This is part of our Salute series. We have first and second grade Salute, which is dealing with addition. We have third, fourth, and fifth grade Salute, which works with multiplication. And now our middle school Salute works with integers. So they have to know if the numbers are positive or negative answers. So to play Salute, it requires two students who will be players and one student who's a dealer. The dealer will deal two cards face down so that the players cannot see them. When they say the word salute, they lift up the cards and they can place it on their forehead or in front of them so that they cannot see their card, but the other player can see their card. So if you look at the image, we have this little girl who cannot see the card on her head, but she can see the card on the other player's head. So I'm hiding one card that you cannot see, and I am showing a positive 11. So those cards that are black are positive. Those cards that are red or orangish in color are negative. So if I give you the answer of positive 11, you have to decide what card I'm hiding at the moment. This would be on your forehead, and you couldn't see it, but I'm hiding it. So you have hopefully guessed a positive 1. So a positive 1 and a positive 11 multiplied together give you 11. Now, if you chose to do this with addition and subtraction, you would say positive 12 because you would have added those two numbers together. So I'm going to put those numbers aside. And now the dealer has dealt out a 4 to the other player's head, and you don't know what's hidden on what's not showing. That would be on your forehead. And this time I'm going to say, and you see a negative 4, and I'm going to say the answer is positive 32. So you need to understand that the card is going to be a negative 8, because a negative and a negative is going to give you a positive, and the 8 times 4 is 32. So that would give you a positive 32. Now, if you were doing addition on this, you would say negative 12 would be the answer, and they would have to have guessed that it's a negative 8. So you can play it either way with addition or with multiplication, but you have to make sure you're saying the right integers if it's a red card or a black card. Thank you for checking out our video and seeing how to play these great Mango Math games. Make sure to hit the subscribe button for more Mango content and check out our website at www.mangomath.com.